Today, I will show you how to restring a pearl necklace. Materials needed today are silk thread to match your pearls, stringing needles, beading felt, a beading tray, a small bowl, a little bit of dish soap, room temperature water, a ruler, stringing tweezers, small scissors, super glue, bead tips, a clasp, and pliers. I will use my tiny scissors to carefully cut each knot to release the pearls. They will soak in a bath with dish soap and room temperature water. If the pearls are graduated in size, I will start with the largest pearls in the center and work my way out to the smallest. I will start by adding 3 pearls to my string, then I will add the bead tip. I will tighten the knot by pulling the 2 threads away from each other. If you don't get a single pearl knotted tight enough, or if the needle or thread breaks, you have to start completely over. I will wrap it around my thumb, index, and middle fingers, and I will drop the end of knotted pearls through the loop. I will grab the thread that is just above the pearl. I'm now at the last 3 pearls. I will not knot them until I add the bead tip. I will thread my needle through the bead tip, then thread it back through the last pearl. I will snip the ends of thread and apply a very small amount of super glue to each knot. Pearl stringing is a high demand repair, and it is a great skill to have in your pocket.